Good afternoon from Soundside Drive. We're coming to you from 4600. And we've got a unique property here for you. Right over there we see is the pool, in-ground pool, ready to rock and roll for you. This is a pool house. Now the original primary structure did burn down, so there's lots of opportunity for you to build your own primary structure. See here, in-ground pool, babbling waterfall, still functions. And let's take a look inside our pool house. Nice front porch, right around 900 square feet. Big open living space. Bar area in the background. Got the crown molding, plantation shutters, chic black carpet throughout. To the left, master bedroom. High ceilings, master bathroom. And around here, walk-in shower, neutral tile. Wraps around. Just a better look at the bar area. Big windows throughout, which is awesome. Bring in the natural light. And we've got our media room. Blacked out. You can do a movie and really get the full feel. So on and so forth. Throw a kitchenette in here and it can be self-contained living area. So again, we're at 4600. Soundside Drive in Gulf Breeze, 32563. Come take a look. See what you can make of it.